Hey, let me talk to you the way I would after using this every single day, not as specs on a page, but as the screen that's been shaping my gaming lately. This is the MSI MPG 321URX. And the moment you see it light up, you realize why some displays stop feeling like gear and start feeling like part of your identity. This is for a certain type of player. Someone who doesn't just play games but lives inside them. Someone who sees motion flaws instantly, who notices color banding the second it happens, who wants a screen that matches the level of precision and intensity they bring to every session. If that sounds like you, this is your zone. Before we go deeper, check the current price and stock. QD-OLED panels don't sit still for long. You probably already knew it was time for an upgrade. Maybe your old monitor struggled with dark scenes. Maybe the motion felt smeared when you flicked your aim. Maybe HDR looked like a washed-out attempt instead of something meaningful. Or maybe you simply felt that shift, that sense that your setup was stuck in a phase you'd already grown past. Moving to the 321URX hits differently. You sit down, fire up your game, and the clarity almost stops you. True blacks blend into the edges of the world. Colors snap with this rich, clean precision that feels handcrafted. And that instant response, it removes that glassy layer between you and the game. Everything feels direct, alive, connected to your hands. Picture how you actually use it. In shooters, every micro-adjustment feels pure because the panel keeps up effortlessly. In RPGs, the lighting becomes part of the story. Every flame, shadow, and glow feels intentional. In open-world games, sunrises actually look like light breaking through the atmosphere instead of a bright smear. Even your desktop feels upgraded. Text, icons, movement, all of it gains this crispness you only get from QD-OLED. If you haven't glanced at the current price yet, this is the moment. These fluctuate more often than they should. And if you're wondering whether it's too premium, that's the exact hesitation everyone has right before they buy the right monitor. But every time you consider something weaker, you feel that pull, because you already know what level you're aiming for. You don't want a screen you'll replace in a year. You want one that finally fits who you've become as a gamer. The surprise benefit. The consistency. Long sessions stay bright, clean, and stable without that slow dim that ruins immersion on older OLED panels. It holds its brilliance deep into the night, and you feel that difference more than you expect. There's this pride that settles in once this becomes your daily screen. Your setup looks different. Feels different. It reflects the standard you've been trying to hit for years. You don't just turn it on, you step into it. Deeper atmosphere, sharper, more responsive gameplay, colors that feel alive, more intensity in every scene, a setup that finally feels deserving of your skill. You need enough desk depth for the 32-inch size. Premium panel care is worth keeping in mind. Eventually, the comparison loop becomes pointless. You scroll, you doubt, you revisit cheaper options, but your mind keeps coming back here. That's not coincidence. That's clarity. If you're ready for the screen that will define your gaming for years, check the current price now and lock it in. This is the upgrade you feel every single time you sit down.